Hello fellow travelers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring a hidden gem and historic city of Évora in Portugal. Hi, Angel here. Nestled in the heart of Alentejo, Évora is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famed for its well-preserved Roman temple and enchanting medieval streets. Join us as we uncover its rich history, vibrant culture, and exquisite cuisines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. Now let's go! Step into the heart of Évora. Behold the awe-inspiring Roman temple, an ancient marvel shrouded in mystery and grandeur. Dubbed the Temple of Diana, this architectural masterpiece dates back to the 1st century AD. A UNESCO World Heritage treasure, this temple is a harmonious blend of history and myth. Be captivated by Praça de Hiraldo, a vibrant heartbeat of Évora. Picture yourself wandering amidst stunning arches and witnessing the blend of Gothic and Renaissance architecture. Now, let's venture into the enigmatic realm of the Church and Monastery of São Francisco, where the mysterious Chapel of Bones awaits. This hauntingly beautiful 15th century Gothic masterpiece holds a chilling secret. The walls are lined with human skulls and bones, whispering tales of the past. Let's continue our adventure with a trip through the majestic Évora Cathedral. It's a towering beacon of spiritual grandeur and architectural splendor in the heart of Évora. Inside, the cathedral folds in a glorious array of chapels. Finally, let's embark on a tantalizing journey to the heart of Portugal's wine country. Here, nestled along the rolling hills and sun-drenched vineyards, the region boasts of a rich tapestry of wines that captures the essence of Alentejo's unique terroir. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through Évora in Portugal. We hope you've been enchanted by this rich history, from the hauntingly beautiful Chapel of the Bones to the sun-kissed vineyards. Évora is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be explored. We're thrilled to have shared these experiences with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.